Hi, I'm here with Nolan Samuelson, an expert at Google, and he's going to answer some questions that parents frequently ask. As a parent, what if my income does not allow me to have a computer that has access to the internet? How would my child be able to get the same learning experience as one with a computer?
Well, as a public school teacher, all the districts need to realize that everyone will not have access to a computer. Teachers should be giving an equal homework opportunity that allow both student bodies to get done with it and have a chance to get a good grade. Districts with it, however, should give quality computers to each individual student, which would allow them to get their fullest of their education in the new digital age.
How would you how how do you know that we as parents are all on board for this type of education, since all of us, or at least most of us, were used to old style teaching?
Well, some districts are sending out as many as 12,400 permission slips through email and stuff like that, or to their kid's house, because frankly, Google doesn't know if parents want them to actually use this stuff or not because it's the parents' education that they're paying for through taxes. Students are allowed to use this through Gmail and Google, which is the most safest type and most secure type that we think is available out there.
All of our children learn differently, so how does Google allow students to learn at different paces?
Well, this allows the people who control Google are allowed to change it and stuff like that. So if a district like of Oregon is able to control their district's types of Google and cloud like that, we can make them equal opportunity, such as kindergartners compared to eighth graders using computers. Um, like for instance, we have a cloud above that stuff like that. We can all send stuff up there, and the documentation we can use internet wise and have the eighth graders use it, whereas kindergartners can just type their little notes on their document and send them to their teacher, whereas anything else such as a presentation for science or something like that can be used above and beyond anybody else. There are more than 50 districts actually in Oregon that is using this type of method right now, so we think it's going to expand in the next 3 to 4 years and hopefully become a big part of education.
Well, Nolan, thank you for taking your time to answer some questions.
You're welcome.